What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Micah.
And I'm Leah.
And Skylar remains the
Enderman Factory!
For today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make stress balls out of Squishoo with no kit needed. Since the Squishoos had to be soaked in water, we pre-made them. You will need a soda bottle, Squishoos, and balloons.
First, you need your soda bottle and stretch out the top of the balloon and put it on top of the soda bottle. Then slowly pour inside your Squishoos. Put the cups down at the same time. Did you know that, Mike?
You're doing it with one finger? Yeah. I did it with my whole hand.
Oh, there's the
2 hours later. One eternity later.
Okay, that should be. Then just pour out the extra.
No extra for me.
No extra for me. 0, 0. And take off the balloon and tie it. Oh. And that's how
This is what it looks like when it's done.
You can also make the galaxy by using half water, half glue, and glitter. You can also make the crunchy by saying half water, half glue, glitter, and beads.
So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of this, comment down below what you want. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications so you never miss a video. Goodbye!